Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another day in the life. It is Saturday, November 7th, and I'm about to get ready to set up for a client. I've done my meditation, and I'm drinking my lemon water. I was a little bright before. I had to turn that down. So I'm about to get set up. It is 7:21 in the morning. I don't know if you can see that. And my client will be here at 8 or a little bit before then. So I have to get set up right quick. And I will be back to show you how I kind of set up for things. And this is how everything is set up. So I have all of my foundations right here in the back, like concealers, primers, and everything like that. Liners, lip liners, lipsticks or liquid lipsticks, more liquid lipsticks, setting powders, highlighters, setting powders, cream, blush, just in case, eye primer, like setting sprays, cleanser, all of my beauty sponge, mascara wands, lip applicators. This is to clean the face. Actually, let me take this out. I use this on my clients as far as after I cleanse their skin. And then I use this eye cream as well. Honest eye cream, I use that. So I wait for my clients to tell me what kind of look they're going for, because they might say one thing on their form, their intake form, but then they get here and they want something different. So I have all of my palettes, well, the majority of my palettes in here. So I'm gonna wait till she gets here. Oh, and right here are the lashes I normally put on clients. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I like them because they flare out at the end. Yeah, so that is my setup. I'm gonna go and get dressed and put a mask on. Alright, so this is the aftermath of my client. I'm sometimes never really organized, but I'm organized. So I'm gonna clean this up after I make my coffee and take my vitamins. And I'm not gonna post any of the pictures, and I didn't record me doing her makeup because this is for her save the dates, and she wants to make sure that nobody sees what she's looking like for her save the dates. So, but yeah, I'm gonna clean this up after I make my coffee. So I made a pumpkin latte, basically. This is the pumpkin spice coffee from Nespresso, and in my milk I put pumpkin spice and chocolate onyx sugar, only a little bit, and then mix that with my oat milk and the heat and the milk frother, and then sprinkle some pumpkin spice and some honey powder on top. So yeah, that is my thing. Now that I made my coffee, I'm just gonna do some I'm gonna clean that up soon. Oh, and I also put some MCT oil in here. Get those healthy fats going. But I think I'm gonna do a little bit on my website. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit on my website because I have to take down this picture with Dr. Bronner's in it. They went back on their word. When I reached out to them in May, I told them that I was doing a box. It's not a subscription box, it's a self-care box, and it's a one-time purchase. People can purchase it. It's just to get the message out there of these products that are healthy and organic and good for you as far as body care goes. And they were down with it. Mind you, they didn't have a wholesale program that I knew of at that time, because I did ask that question. And then now they're saying I'm not a good fit for them, and they don't like to be bundled with other products. So yeah, Dr. Bronner's would no longer be in the self-care box, and there will be a black-owned business in the self-care box as far as body soap or body wash goes. So that is the update on that, and it should be out the 1st of December. So, excuse me, I'm only doing 20 boxes, and yeah, so you get to choose which boxes you want, because they're also going to be candles for sale on the website as well, coming soon to a theater near you. But yeah, so I'll come back to you all later.
The next morning.
Welcome back, my Vibrant Beauties. Welcome if you are new. It's your girl Letty, and we are doing a weekend in the life. Now, I know I said day in the life yesterday for Saturday, but to be honest, I forgot my camera at home when we went to me and my cousin. It was her birthday. We went to a seafood place so I can take her out for her birthday. And yeah, no. And then we went to the mall. I had my phone and I did it a little bit, like filmed a little bit in the crab place, but as far as the mall goes, I did not. Like, I don't know. But my intention was to do a day in the life, but that did not play out yesterday. So today, it's kind of like a chill Sunday. I was going to get up and do some cleaning and do what I needed to do, but my stomach started to say, no, sit your behind down somewhere. So I have been basically back and forth to the bathroom. I think it's because I put MCT oil in my coffee and it's cleaning me out from yesterday, having all of the seafood and everything. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is just chill out for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to get up and start cleaning and doing what I need to do and getting on my computer in the back and do some work. Do some my work, not work, but my work, my business work, because I have some future plans of some things. So I'll let you see what I do on this Sunday. But like I said, right now, I'm going to finish watching YouTube and chill out because the way I'm feeling, or the way my stomach is feeling, yeah. I have to let my stomach do what it needs to do in order to clean out any toxins and stuff. So I'm just going to continue to drink my water. And yeah, so I will be back later. So let me actually just, so you all, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm waiting on my food to finish thawing out like a little bit more so I can cook some Cornish hens or whatever. I'll make sure a clip of that. Sunday, and hope you all did more than I did this weekend. Yeah, it's been crazy. I got lazy today, and it's okay if you get lazy on a Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Like, enjoy your Sunday, enjoy not doing anything, enjoy just being lazy. Sometimes that's what you need to do to reset and have a self-care day, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. And with that being said, I hope you all have a great week, and let it out. I'm just playing, y'all. Bye.